I'll show you how to delete a mobile. It's not as simple as you might think, or as it could be. You've got different buttons. You've got mode, settings, info. Now, I would think you'd either get to it through mode or settings, but you don't. You've got to click info. And from info, you've then got mobile phone. Click mobile phone. Nothing there, no instructions, but there's an arrow. You click the arrow like so, and then you've got pairing, lock, registration, phone book. So onto pairing, even though you're deleting it. And again, select device to connect. We don't want to connect to device. We don't want to pair a device. Set a passkey. So select device. Again, it goes against just about everything. And then from pair device, you've got a list of the phones that are already paired. Now I want to be deleting this one, but again, there doesn't seem to be any instructions. But there's the arrow here, so you click the arrow, and finally we get to the screen we want: delete or edit. So we want delete, and that's the one I want to delete. And again, you've got to press delete again. Do you want to delete? Well, yes, I've told you like 5 times. That's it, gone. So again, you can now go through and delete everything. So delete, 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 delete. So that's how you delete a mobile. It's not intuitive, but hopefully that helps.